Well, today, Floyd Valley Healthcare in Lamar showed its commitment to helping the community. Floyd Valley Healthcare has continued to expand services throughout the years, and the company has added more specialty clinics and now a new therapies facility. The center is designed places and spaces to help patients working through several different types of therapy, and it held an open house and ribbon cutting for its new therapies facility.
We provide physical therapy, occupational therapy, and speech therapy. We provide a lot of different coverage for different type of conditions, whether it be orthopedic, pediatric, a lot of athletics, that type of thing.
Floyd Valley therapists say they are very happy to provide services for patients within the area.
And we really look at the needs of the community as far as what do we need to add to best serve the needs of those around us. And we talk with our local care providers, and we've really made it so that people don't have to go out of town to receive their therapy and that kind of specialized treatment that they're wanting.
Floyd Valley Healthcare is currently building its new maternal health department, which is expected to be complete in the fall of 2025.